Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'll be showing you how to edit and create Metafields on your Shopify store. Now without further ado, let's get started. First, head onto your computer browser and go to your Shopify website and log into your account, or if you don't have an account yet, just sign up to your account. Now without further ado, I'm going to show you how to create Metafields. Now first, all you have to do is go to your store. So I have my store right here, and go to online store right here and go to the themes and hit on customize. Now next is under this directory right here, go to the products page and select the product that you want to add the Metafields. So right here, for example, I'm gonna add a Metafield right here. So underneath the section at buy now, I'm gonna add the Metafield material and the Metafield shipping. Now to do that, all I have to do is click on add block right here and select collapsible row. As you can see, this is the collapsible row I'm talking about. So all you have to do is to scroll this up right here and make sure it will be under the buy it now. So to do that is to click this one and drag it all the way until it is now below the buy buttons. So as you can see right here. Now I want to edit this heading and make it into materials right about there. So as you can see, it is now changed. And now the icon, let's select an icon. I think this leather should be very nice for an icon. And there you have it. Now all I have to do is click on save again. And now let's add another Metafield below the materials section. Let's add a shipping Metafield. So again, I'm going to click on add block right here and make sure to add a collapsible row right about here. And just click on this 6 dotted lines right here and scroll up until it is now below materials. And there you have it. So let's change this collapsible row heading into shipping. And I'm going to change the icon for a shipping material, or a shipping like icon right here. A map pen should be very nice. So there you have it. So now I have created 2 Metafields. All you have to do is to fill this one up. So next, all I want to do is go to exit right here. And I'm going to go to settings right here and go to custom data. Now I'm going to click on this products right here. As you can see, these are the Metafields. I'm going to click on a product right here. I'm going to click on add definition. And I'm gonna go to the name, which is, let's make a product definition for materials first. There you have it. And the namespace and key, just leave it like that. And now the description, let's just say materials used for this product. There you have it. And next, I'm gonna select a type right here. So for your materials, you can use a single line text or a multi-line text. So I'm just gonna select a multi-line text because you have a lot of multi-lines for that to use, like for example the materials, the color, etc., etc. So I'm just gonna click on material. I'm gonna click on the multi-line text for material right here, and the validations, just keep it empty, so you won't have a minimum character, a maximum character, or some regular expression. So for me, it doesn't matter. So just leave the validations empty, and of course let's click on save right here. And next we want to add our shipping Metafield definition. So next I'm going to click on add definition again, and the name is shipping. So the namespace and key, just leave it like that, and the description is areas where we ship. So the select type is not a single line text or a multi-line text. The select type for this is pages. So all you have to do is to locate pages. But first we should locate reference and click on page right here. So once I have done that, I'm just gonna save right here. And next is we want to create a page for our shipping. So all you have to do is go to your online store right here and click on pages. So once you have done that, as you can see, I have already created this, but I'm just gonna delete this page so that I want to show you how to create it from scratch. So if we want to select a pages, or we want to create a page for shipping, all you have to do is click on add page right here, and the name should be shipping. And next is to click on this table right here, like insert table. So let's click on insert table first, and next is insert column after. So right about there. So this is just for example, let's say USA. So I'm gonna ship this one for 10 to 15 days. And next is I'm gonna add another row below. Let's say Europe. So we will gonna ship this for, I think, maybe around 10 to 7 to 10 days. So this is just an example. And next I'm gonna add another row below, just for the sake of this video. And next is Asia. So I'm gonna ship this for 5 to 7 days. So next, once I have done that, I'm just gonna click on save right here. And there you have it. So next, let's go to the products page, and of course select the product that we have created, our Metafield, which is this one. So next I'm just gonna scroll down until I see the Metafields option. So first let's set up the material. So once I click on material, you can now actually type the materials for the product. So for now, let's just copy this materials right here, and I'm gonna paste this one right about there. So you can actually make your own material right here. So like that, you can type some materials like that, like leather, like that. And now once you have done that, just click on save right here. And now on the shipping, all you have to do is click on shipping again and select page. So you can see this is the shipping page right here. So I'm just gonna click on shipping. So the shipping right here is the shipping page that we have created earlier. The one where we create a table, like that. And so I'm gonna click on shipping right here. As you can see, it is now added. So just click on save again right here. And next, what we want to do is go back to our online store and go to the themes creator right here and click on customize. And of course, go to the products page and go to the product that we have recently added a Metafield. So right now, my goal is to add the materials which I typed earlier and to add the shipping page which we have done earlier. So first, we're gonna go to materials right here, and once you've clicked on materials, it should be highlighted by now. Just below beside the row content that says insert dynamic source, just click on that. As you can see, this is the materials page right here, or the materials that we just typed earlier. So just click on that and click on save. And once I click on the drop down right here, as you can see, here it is. This is what we have copied and pasted earlier, or what you have typed should be present right here. Next is the shipping. So we want to do is just right here on the row content from page, just click on select page right here, and of course click on the shipping page that we have just created. So I'm just gonna select and save. And once we have done that, as you can see, once I click on this drop down again, and there you have it. These are the shipping areas that we just have typed earlier. So the best thing about this is you won't have to do this for every page, because we have already set the Metafield for it, for every product that we have created. So for example, let's create this one. So as you can see, the shipping is now been set because of what we have said earlier. And the materials is we should edit this manually, but don't worry, it is very easy. Just exit that one and go to products page again, and go to the product that you want to select to set the material meta page for. I mean the material meta field for, and just scroll down again, and please don't do anything on the shipping because it has already been set. Just do anything on the material. So for example, the material right here is, let's just say this is an aluminum metal, something like that. I'm just guessing right here, so this is just for the sake of the video. So materials are aluminum and metal. So after that, I'm just gonna click on save right here, and now go back to your store, go to themes, click on customize, and underneath right here, just click on products and go to the product section of your page and go to the material or the product that we just changed recently. So as you can see, the shipping is stable, and materials right about there, we have changed it. So that's the beauty of Metafields. It won't take much of your time and is very easy to edit once you have created or set up your Metafield. So I guess that's it for this video, and I hope you find this helpful. And if you have any comments, suggestions, and questions, all you have to do is to comment it down on the comment section box below. So with that being said, again, that's it for this video, and I hope you find this helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and of course, click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!